Hello, this is Alex. This video is to show you the new features and the difference between the basic and the premium plans. The basic plan, you already know. I have already made an example data entry here using the basic features. I have sent the data with these infos, city, quantity, and Instagram, which are the custom fields here. Coming back to WhatsApp, if you open this custom fields will all be empty, as if it were the first time. So if I fill it here Sao Paulo, for example, Instagram, any and quantity 10, and send, what will happen? It will be sent. And when you go here on Trello, or the CRM you are using, it doubled the cards. Then a new one appeared here, with the new information I sent. So what changes with the premium? If you open the pop-up, you will see that there are these premium settings. If you click, it opens other fields. These here I will explain later. And this one, that is a response webhook. With this webhook you will configure a search within Make to look for if the customer already exists. So if the customer does not exist, the system will notify, and if the customer already exists, it will show the saved customer data within Web WhatsApp. I will show you here. First I need to save. Now when I click here, what will happen? It went to look for the contact and received the answer. User not found, or the answer has not yet been set. So it's showing the normal data here. So we are going to fill in here, like for example, Rio de Janeiro, at example, quantity 100. I'm going to send this data. It is already sent to Trello, so in 2 weeks for example, when you open this contact again, or in a month and you no longer remember if you have already received contacts from that person. If it were on the basic plan, when you open it again it would be all blank. But with the premium, if I close it here and open it again, it went to get the data. And it shows, contact found, and it has already pulled all the data that are there in Trello. It pulled the right city, Instagram and the amount. So you don't need to check anymore if that contact already exists in Trello or on the CRM to avoid duplications. And if I edit here, for example, I will change from Rio de Janeiro to Sao Paulo and the quantity to 2000 for example. Sent it again. So if I close and open again, the data has already changed there on Trello. It was an addition and not a new addition. If I open here on Trello, you will see that there is only one card with this contact here, and even with more data, which are also part of the features of this new version. If I open the card here, you will see, beyond the photo of the contact that was sent, it's these new fields here. We have a direct link to WhatsApp. If you click here, you go straight back to the conversation. The tags, in this case, the new customer tag has been added here as well, and the account owner, seller. This is useful for when a team has more than one seller, and the manager wants to know who sent that contact. Or the seller himself knows that it was him that sent this contact. So here is the name of the email of the user you registered to the extension. Another very interesting thing that we have here, which is available in the basic plan as well, is importing and exporting settings. For example, if you have a team, and you want to go through the same settings of webhook, customized fields for others in your team, like other sellers, now it will be easy. I will make a second example here. I am going to remove these fields. I will leave only the quantity. And now I will export these settings. I will create a second configuration file. I already have one here, but I want to create another. I am creating a version 2 to save this file. So now, your team members can import the same configurations you have exported. These ones we have already saved, we don't need them. But I already had another file saved earlier with those settings from before, and a few more. Click here and now at Import Settings. I will find and import the first file I saved earlier. Open. And all the modifications I had saved before will show up, including these here, which is autofill, and I'm going to show next. I will save, and now I'm going to show you how it works. This other feature that is also very interesting. I had already excluded the card here, so let's go back. What do these fields do here? They look for a text within the features that are programmed here in this little code, regex, which I'll pass for you too, to make it easier. So basically what this code here is saying, it will search for any text after city, which in this case is in this message here. It will look at the messages and fill the city field automatically with what it finds here after the city:. The same for the Instagram field after Instagram:. And the same thing here for the quantity of products, which is how I configured. So if you have one campaign, for example, that these data comes by WhatsApp filled in by the client, so that he can pass you some information, you can search within the messages themselves and automatically fill in the form fields. So when I click contact, what will appear here? Remembering that this contact no longer exists in Trello, I deleted it, so it's a new user, but it's already filled in city, Florianopolis, Instagram at Insta example, and quantity, 50. It obtained the data here directly from the messages. So you can set it to automate a lot of things that the customer already sends, filled in automatically, which makes your work easier. Of course, I'm going to make a new video showing all the details and how to set up all these parts. Both the search webhook at Make, so it pulls the data automatically here, and this part of the search with regex, explaining how this works. I hope it helps. If you have any question or problem, just contact me. Just click here in Need Help, Any Problem, and click at the button Talk to the Developer. It will open a conversation directly with me on WhatsApp.